Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today we are down about 24 basis points and we still have about 1 hour left in trading. On the 1 hour chart, the MACD is positive, and on the 4 hour chart I do see the 4 hour MACD turning positive as well. So we still are on support on the uptrend. However, it could quickly reverse at any moment. On the daily chart, I do see the MACD starting to converge up, so that's a positive sign that we see a good reversal, or at least a short covering happening. So the resistance that I see if we do continue on higher is, I would say, possibly the 50-day moving average. Reason why, by that time it coincides with this support right here, and past support act as resistance. So I do see the 50-day moving average at that moment in time, maybe at that point, and that price is at 21.60 cents. And for support, the support dated back to earlier this month, and that is around 19.90 cents. So if we were to continue on higher, that price movement is about 5.8% move up, and if we were to continue on lower and touch the support, that price movement is about 2.4% move down onto the next module. I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to April 23rd, 2014 to July 16, 2014. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here in the beginning, we have a downtrend, and it quickly reversed and touched the upper Bollinger Band right here, and that will be green, and then made another reversal on a downtrend. Or I could make it as I'll make it as downtrend rather than a red circle. So after making downtrend, it finally leveled off, and we have somewhat of a regression to the mean, or the middle Bollinger Band. So we have that there, and over here we see the downtrend in the beginning, and we made a quick reversal touching the upper Bollinger Band right here, and this is green, should be green. And another downtrend or reversal, continue on down, and right at the last point, a possible regression and formation touching the middle Bollinger Band, and that will be blue. What we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points as well. So there's reason to believe if the trends and patterns are the same, the outcome and forecast would also be the same as well. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where natural gas, or UNG, went to back in 2014, April 23rd to July 18, 2014. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. Back then, natural gas was down about 3.6% or 3.5% down back then. So there's a possibility natural gas will fall about 3.5% in 1 week. It happened back then in 2014, so it's a definite possibility it could happen again. And here's the line chart that I compared it to. It overlapped pretty well with the current trend right here and the 2014 trend overlapping. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.